Cars, echoes of memories, subtract, breathing slow beneath the floor. Shadows linger gently, melodies rise carefully, whispers of the past flow through the door.
In a pastel night, rolling subs on low, holding fragile light. Ancient drums echo through neon air. Every heartbeat drifts weightless aware. Strings flicker gently beneath painted skies. Beats glow softly where the silence lies. Feel the pressure build inside the sound, sending souls as pulses come around.
Beats drift softly through neon-lit streets, swaying hearts float on electric beats. Voices rise softly into pastel skies. Every spark dances as the night replies. From calm to chaos we glide, we fall. Dreams collide inside the engine's call.
Fire, dark melodies full of desire and dire. Soft echoes right beneath crushing guitars. Neon storms shimmer like distant stars. Engine drums mixed with roaring sound. Roots and circuits spiral unbound. Shadows of sound rise, unspoken rage. Energy smashes through a digital cage.
Ripple gently through a pastel night. Metal and melody fuse into light. Glitches and riffs collide in a neon storm. Hearts stay warm in chaos form. Voices soar above waves of steel. Every pulse reminds us what is real. Desert winds swirl through echoes of night. Soft rhythms wrap hearts tight. Jazz chords sway through metallic air. Pastel darkness drifts everywhere. From doom to dream, from calm to flame. Ultimate chaos calls our name. Beats and voices, flesh and machine. Past and future in between. Across neon skies and shadowed ground, we rise together inside the sound. Stars pull softly, guiding hearts through light. The chaos fades, but we remain tonight.